Hello guys, I'm back and with Panache Academy official page, and today is the second last day of our training, and right now we have all the participants here in our online room and with Nikisha Kapasi ma'am, who is our psychologist and tracking stress management and healthy competitive session for our participants over here. Session is going really interesting, and all of them are having a lot of questions regarding stress. And as we all know, during the time of lockdown, it's so difficult to manage stress, especially when it comes to mental health and anxiety and depression. There's a lot of problem our youths are facing right now. So Panache is giving them stage to kind of talk about their stress, talk about their anxiety, about their depression, or any problem that they are facing due to mental health issues and due to the lockdown. And Nikisha ma'am here is talking about everything that we need to address for our youths. So I'm going to flip my camera over and take you in the session, and you can actually see what she is talking, and we'll try to interact with her too.
I could have mentioned love. So I have not mentioned that, but yeah, I should have mentioned it. So I will talk about it now because I got a couple of questions for breakups and love. So I'll just complete the whatever is written on the PPT. Yeah,
Nikisha ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Nikisha ma'am, sorry to interrupt. We are live in Instagram from Panache Academy page. And yes, I am seeing that we are almost there and reaching to one of the very interesting topics about, breakup and love. Love and breakup. But before that, since we are live on our Panache Academy page, and this is one of the very important session, I believe, in the pageant, that in the training that we are doing right now, as it's lockdown and we are in this lockdown for almost 1.5 years now, and all the youths and everyone out there facing a lot of stress, anxiety, and lot of issues, right? Mental health issues, and you're here to address it for them. So what is your message for the audience out there? Because there are huge set of audience, Panache audience, who are young, right? And they might not be here with us in the session, but they are here in Instagram. So what is your message to them?
So my message and my take on mental health will be: consider mental health as one of the priority. So acknowledge your mental health. Acknowledge करो अपने आप के physical health को, जैसे acknowledge करते हो, जैसे doctors के पास जाते हो, get yourself test for COVID or any symptoms for COVID. Get yourself checked for mental health too. There are very small checkers that you might be wanting to get acknowledged. It could just be a breakup or falling in love. Falling in love also creates stress, because then falling in love means that you are getting in touch with another companion who has few expectations, and you have few expectations from them, and then this expectations create stress. So falling in love creates stress, breakup creates stress, separation creates stress. But in all these stresses, if we keep checking ourselves with our mental health expert, if we try and talk to the right kind of people at the right kind of time, understand our emotions, and we are able to alter our thoughts, alter our cognition, then we will have a healthy state of mind. So healthy state of mind is equally important with the healthy state of body, because healthy state of mind can get you healthy state of soul too. So that's my take on it, Khushbu. Consult your mental health practitioner. एक प्रयत्न तो बनता है ना.
बिल्कुल मैम. निकिशा मैम, प्रयत्न आपका प्रयत्न भी बनता है. There are many students, actually I'm seeing they are DMing me personally that they want to know your contact detail. They might want to reach out to you personally on, and they want to talk to you about it. So can you just give your information, maybe a website information over here, or a little information about Prayatna in Instagram live, and then we can put the other contact detail and stuff in the DM in the Google Meet.
Okay, so Prayatna is an academy now. Prayatna is early intervention center. It's a counseling center. We started with children, wherein we work a lot with children with special needs, children with delayed development. Then we extended to parent counseling. We realized that the parents have a lot of concerns because they are unable to understand the feelings of the children. There is a lot of age gap. And we have ventured into psychotherapy and counseling. And Prayatna is having 5 branches in Ahmedabad. And yes, we are a lot into online counseling also. Yes, and जो भी प्रयत्न हम कर रहे हैं आपके मेंटल हेल्थ को लेकर, हम चाहते हैं कि आप अपने मेंटल हेल्थ को उतनी प्रायोरिटी दीजिए जितनी आप अपने फिजिकल हेल्थ को देते हैं. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली कोविड दैट इज क्रिएटिंग मेंटल स्ट्रेस. कोविड का तो बहाना हो गया है, मेंटल स्ट्रेस और कोविड को रिलेट कर दिया गया है, बट बहुत सारे अलग अलग रीजंस हैं मेंटल स्ट्रेस के. It could be relations, it could be love, it could be family, it could be parents, it could be children, it could be anything on this earth. Mental health का stressor कहीं से भी हो सकता है. So yes, please contact Prayatna if you feel that there is anywhere you feel that Prayatna can help you, because as I again and again say, एक प्रयत्न तो बनता ही है.
Thank you, Nikisha ma'am. Ma'am, one question. Okay, one question. Okay, this I have heard a lot of time, like right now for a few, maybe last 1 year, as you said, जब से COVID आया है तब से we started talking more about mental health because of COVID. Now we started relating, but जब भी आप usually we are in the metro cities and we are very much aware of it, what is mental health and how it works, but right now we have people from all over India. एंड ये बहुत जगह से ऐसा आता है कि जब आप बोलो मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में या डिस्कस करो पेरेंट्स से बोलो तो वो सोचते हैं अरे तुम पागल थोड़ी हो जो तुमको साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाना है. दिस इज द वेरी जनरल थिंग दैट दे से एंड इट्स एवरीवेयर. सो इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, लाइक हाउ डू दे नीड टू अप्रोच, लाइक हाउ इज डिफरेंट, लाइक हम साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जा रहे हैं.
खुशबू, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो वर्ड को अल्टर कर दो, मेंटल मत बोलो, इमोशनल वेलबींग बोलो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
परफेक्ट, यस.
So always, when you are going to a person who does not believe in mental health, जैसे अभी मुझे किसी ने पूछा था कि मुझे अपने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस करना है, तो मैं हमेशा ये सोचती हूँ कि कन्विंस द अदर पर्सन इन द लैंग्वेज दैट ही और शी अंडरस्टैंड्स, बिकॉज दैट इज द बेस्ट वे ऑफ कन्विंसिंग पीपल. You cannot convince someone else in the way you want them to be convinced. It's very difficult, right? अगर हम ये बोले कि कि मुझे मेंटल प्रॉब्लम है, तो किसी भी पेरेंट को बुरा लगेगा ना. पेरेंट है, किसी भी इंसान को, if I say, if I talk about my husband or if you talk about your mother or your father, if you say कि मेरी मम्मी को मेंटल प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो सुनने में एक स्टिग्मा बन चुका है. And it is way far beyond us that हम उस स्टिग्मा को दूर करें. उससे अच्छा हम अपने वर्ड्स को चेंज करें, इमोशनल वेलबींग बोले, हम ये बोले कि हम अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, हम ये बोले कि हम अपने थॉट्स को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. इसीलिए हमें साइकोलॉजिस्ट की जरूरत है. और जब ये पूछा जाए कि साइकोलॉजिस्ट मतलब क्या, वो पागलों का डॉक्टर, अगर ये पूछा जाए तो आप ये भी बोल सकते हो कि वो ब्रेन का डॉक्टर है, वो माइंड का डॉक्टर है, वो आपके थॉट्स के लिए आपको हेल्प करेगा. So it's all about how you alter the way you talk to convince that person. So
wow,
yeah, that's
a completely different perception, and yes, too, I think this is going to help a lot of people, and I can see our participants so excited and eagerly waiting for you to join them back. So yes, I'll not take much of your time. Thank you so much, Nikisha ma'am, for joining us here, and we are really honored to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me, Kushbu.
Thank you.
All right, so back to my presentation here. So
thank you guys, thank you for joining, and as you saw today that Nikisha ma'am ने कितनी important बात बोली है, and what she said is absolutely right. It's just not about the mental health, it is also about the emotional health, and we can always rephrase that, we need emotional help instead of mental health or mental health. So yes, thank you guys, stay tuned, there are many more sessions to come. Still, we have training still tomorrow, and after that we have semi-finals on 29th and 30th, and then we have talent round and then finale. So yes, it's going to be really a lot of fun. It's a lot of excitement. So stay tuned. Thank you. See you then. Bye.